the awesomeness of nature. Like, who can stop that thundering? Who can stop that sound? None of us can. It's just our ego that we think we can. But looking at it from another perspective, look, the beauty is so beautiful. This magical paradise, this amazing planet Earth. Like today was so hot, like really hot and sweaty, and then now at night time, this time, see this thundering and lightning and then it rains. This our home has an incredible ecology, and if you look at that, it's actually like the greenness, this planet's greenness, it attracts the clouds. It's a magnetic field. The green is the main magnetic field of this ecosystem. Because we got to always remember we're on top. We're never, we're not. So far they've drilled in like 17, 18 kilometers down to the depth of the earth. It's mysterious how that instruments and everything always breaks when it gets down to that level. We're only on top of the earth. We're like just like little like fleas on the skin of the earth. But still, it's a wonder of wonder, and it's magic. This ecology, the earth ecology. This our environment on top of the earth, planets, and how it's completely beyond us, yet it's maintaining itself. So, like the green. That's what I can perceive more and more. It's so important to have lots and lots of that color, because it does attract in the magic of like that lightning and thunder, and then bringing water that feeds all living things. So how beautiful! Look how beautiful! That's power, amazing power, awesome, lovely, lovely.